Namaskar, I am Advocate Saurabh Kunal. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we discuss issues of legal and financial education. So friend, today we are going to discuss about Section 81 of the Indian Penal Code. Section 81 of the Indian Penal Code, if any act done without a criminal intent to prevent others from any harm. So we will be discussing in detail what would be the criminal liability in such cases, in such situation. But before that, I want to request all of you that if you are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell button to get notification of all the updates. Friends, please check out the YouTube page also, my YouTube page also, because here I have there are lots of playlists, particularly on legal drafting, CRPC, IPC, and various in both the language, Hindi and English, in both the language, and very informative and knowledgeable videos are there. So please check it out. Now coming back to the topic, if any act causes harm which has been done without a criminal intent to save other from any kind of harm, so will it be liable for any criminal offense or punishment? So under Section 81 of the Indian Penal Code, so to understand it, it is better to understand what is mentioned under Section 81 of the Indian Penal Code. So I will read the Section 81 before analyzing it. So Section 81 of the Indian Penal Code says, act likely to cause harm but done without criminal intent and to prevent other harm. Nothing is an offense merely by reason of being done with the knowledge that it is likely to cause harm. If it be done without any criminal intention to cause harm and in good faith for the purpose of preventing or avoiding other harm to person or property. It means if any act done in a good faith to prevent others from harm, but it has caused harm to someone. For example, it can be understood with an example, because let's say if there is a ship in the sea, the ship is ship A, and in front of the ship there are two boats, boat A, boat B and boat C, and this is not the fault of the captain of the ship, because the captain of the ship has no role, but there is a situation when all the three ships came in front, and now the captain of the ship has to take a decision, because either he is going to destroy the boat B or destroy the boat C. But on boat B there are 30 to 40 passengers are sitting. However, on boat C there is only 2 passengers. So the captain of the ship A has taken decision to go towards the boat C, where only 2 passengers are sitting. So in this action, if his decision, if he has taken a decision without a criminal intent to save the people who are sitting, 30-40 people who are sitting in the boat B. So if this action causes any harm to the people who are sitting on the boat B, it will not amount to any criminal offense. Similarly, let's take an example that in a crowded muhalla or in a slum, if one house get on fire, so to prevent the spreading of fire in the other houses, someone simply pull down the house. So pulling down the house, indeed it caused harm to the person who are residing in that house, but it has saved many other houses from getting fire. So such act has been done with a good faith. Such decisions has been taken in good faith to prevent others from any further harm. However, it caused harm to a few. So, but this act would not lead to any criminal liability. So this is all about Section 81 of the Indian Penal Code. I will be coming again with more videos like this. So till then, take care. Namaskar.